How to make money using Perplexity. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, researching, content creation, and even automating tasks. So you can focus on what really matters, making money. With Perplexity, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn AI into a passive income machine today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where we'll show you how you can earn money from Perplexity. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. We have your various options. We have your various information like here where knowledge begins. You can ask anything here. We have here focus like all writing, academic, video, math, social and other things. And also we have here other options like pro, enterprise, playground, blog, encyclopedia, cars, and then here you choose your language like your French, standard, Germany, Japanese, Korean, sample of Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, and so let's choose English. And if we go over Try Pro, we will find that Perplexity is for free. So we have here standard, start for free, no credit card needed, free forever, continue with free with unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, requires a profile to personalize your answers, and it's absolutely for free. Right now, let's know what is Perplexity. So Perplexity is a tool designed to provide users with answers and information by leveraging AI and data from the web. It functions similarly to a search engine but incorporates advanced AI capabilities to offer more refined and contextually relevant responses. So I will give you an example here. So for example, let's ask something like how to earn money on Perplexity. And if this is the answer, we have here first thing, it's sources. You can choose the one you want. For example, we have YouTube here, also we have YouTube here, and then we have Tulify, and we have other things like AI business plans, meet brand, we have YouTube, Perplexity, Reddit also. So you choose the one you want and then you get your answer. Also we have here video show window. As you can see, we have also images. So this is for my question. You can ask whatever you want, like how to create anything in your mind. You can just type it and you learn information about it. We have your answer. There are several ways to earn money using the Perplexity AI, a powerful research assistant and conversational search engine. Here are some effective methods. The first one is freelancing opportunities like content creation, proofreading and editing, creating faceless YouTube videos, and course creation. We have educational content. We have also passive income strategies like blogging and medium publication, and I will show you all of them and explain deeply the steps how you can earn money using Perplexity more and more. So Perplexity AI service serves as a versatile tool for various monetization strategies, particularly in content creation and freelancing. By leveraging its capabilities, you can enhance your productivity and potentially earn a substantial income through diverse avenues such as freelancing, course creation, and blogging. Also, we have here related, so we have some questions is related on my question that I asked. I have like what are the best ways to monetize Perplexity AI for beginners? Can I use Perplexity AI to create content for Fiverr? How does Perplexity AI compare to ChatGPT for making money? Are there any risks involved in using Perplexity AI for commercial projects? What kind of projects can I undertake with Perplexity AI to earn money? You can just click over the one you want and then this is the answer as you can see. So let's come back to the home. So we have also here discover library, also we have settings here as you can see. So here in settings we have here account, profile, APA, enterprise, and if you want to sign up, all you have to do is dive into perplexity.ea. You just write your email and your password and then that's it. You will find your account or your script. We will start with Perplexity. So in settings we have here, you choose the language you want. Also we have appearance here, avatar's username, email, AI data retention, subscriptions, AI model, image generation model, and about system of active account, systems, data account, and that's it. You have your profile, also APA here, and that's it with this one. So Perplexity is very speed and efficiency with quickly processes and summarizes large amounts of data. Then we have also accurate information retrievals, like provides relevant and precise answers. Also we have enhanced researches, like aids in efficiency, literature reviews and data analysis. Also we have user friendly, cost effective, it's accessible anytime and anywhere, versatility, consistent quality, tool integration, learning capability. So these benefits make it a valuable tool for boosting productivity and efficiency, and also to start with it, earn money. So for example, I will give you 6 examples how you can earn money on Perplexity. The first one, we have content creation. So for example, you start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to quickly find and summarize research papers, monetize job ads, and sponsored video. So you could also start a blog where you share AI tool tutorials and use affiliate links to AI tools or related products to generate income. The second one we have is freelance work. So, for example, you offer a service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. For instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high quality content faster than traditional methods. Then we have the third one, it's consulting. So, as a consultant, you help small businesses integrate Perplexity into their workflow. For example, you could advise a marketing team on how to use Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then we have the fourth one, it's teaching. So you create an online course on Udemy titled Mastering EA Tools for Efficiently Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity and how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. Charge a fee for the course and earn revenue based on enrollments. The fifth one is affiliate marketing. For this one, we have, just for example, write a detailed blog post on the best AI tools for content creators, including Perplexity, using affiliate links in the post. So when readers purchase or sign up for the tools through your links, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post through social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then we have the last one, it's automation services. So for example, offer a service where you set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives. Charge a setup fee for and possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. So this is it with Perplexity, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.